My Jeep Renegade Overland vehicle is surprisingly one of my best rental vehicles. And one of the things that makes it unique is that it has a solar power system that powers the fridge and also the inverter on board that allows things to be plugged in like laptops and battery chargers and also things like string lights. But unfortunately, most rooftop tents, they don't come stock with solar panels installed. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I installed a flexible style solar panel on the roof of my rooftop tent. So let's get started. So I purchased a generic brand rooftop tent with a hard shell from Amazon, and the roof surface had kind of like an aerodynamic shape, which really wasn't, completely flat all the way across. I ended up purchasing this generic brand flexible panel, and really the goal was to just keep the cost down as much as possible. And it actually fit perfect on the roof. Once I got it lined up and kind of in place where I wanted to place it, I drilled the holes for the panel cables on the back side of the tent. I wanted to keep the holes as small as possible, just so it didn't have any leaking issues down the road. So I had to cut the connectors off of the cables and then feed the cables through the holes where I would reattach them once inside. So next I covered the bottom of the panel with adhesive and then carefully pressed it down onto the roof, making sure that I didn't damage any of the solar panel cells when pressing down on it. On the interior, I used a step bit to drill a hole through the thin wooden floor and also through the undercarriage of the tent itself, just like I did in this clip here, which I had done on another install. I ended up purchasing some additional solar extension cables to connect to the panel cables that were cut. And then that gave me enough slack to reach all the way down into the battery compartment of the vehicle. So once all the cables were spliced on the inside, I was able to dress them along the upper rail of the tent itself using a plastic loom tubing. I only attached the cables along the upper rail of the tent and then let the rest of it kind of hang free near the arm. I didn't want it to, snag or get caught or anything like that once the tent was starting to collapse and close down. Next, I fed the cables through the floor hole, and then I was able to route them down along the frame of the vehicle around the perimeter of the rear hatch door panel. Once I had all the cables inside the vehicle, I connected the cables to two 55 amp hour sealed lead acid batteries and a 24 volt solar controller. Now I found this setup to work perfect, and it provided enough power to the fridge, and it kept it powered for up to, I'd say, about 2 days without any sunlight, which really worked out perfect for this application. I let the adhesive cure for 24 hours just to make sure that it was securely attached to the roof. Then I used some RV sealant tape to place around the perimeter of the solar panel just to keep the water out and to prevent any of the air from catching the front edge of the solar panel itself. Then I filled the little cable holes with some clear sealant just to double prevent any water leaks potentially getting in. So there you have it, a pretty basic and quick solar system setup for my rooftop tent. It's held up really well over the time that I've had it installed and encountered all different types of weather conditions. And since it's a rental unit, it gets a ton of use. So I'm pretty impressed with it and happy overall how it turned out. If you got value out of the video and you liked it, hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching, and as always, supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.